Rocky mystery thing. So let's crack this thing open. That was easy. And then there's tape on it. We don't need this anymore. Yeah. Now this is actually a fox. This is actually an invisible foxy. Invisible baby foxy. And we actually got Thick Shark, baby Thick Shark. Look how big it is compared to my eye. Guys, look how big it is compared to my eye. That's not so big. Let me put them right here. Let's open this one. This one. Yeah. I actually got one of these. It's a ghosty one. But this is the rocky one. If you haven't checked the video on the ghosty thing, so I got the ghosty thing of this, you need to check it out. I don't know the name of it. So we got this. And it even has a rocky thing on it right here. See it? See it? And we got stickers. Those Thick Sharks. I don't think we need these things anymore until the end of the video, so I'm just going to set them to the side. We don't need this anymore. Yay! And I'm actually going to put this right here. We got blue Rocky. And one time we got red Rocky. So those two color Rockies is a perfect match. I'm gonna open the biggest one last. I mean the baddest one last. Look, I think he looks pretty cool with those glasses. He's like, and he's with this guy in the front. So let's do the last one. Well, I first read this, I can tell it's a puppet. Because it is! Oh, it looks like a donut puppet. It looks like a donut with sprinkles puppet. Guys, I'm going to tell you what I love and I didn't like. I didn't really like I didn't really like the dark color of this guy, but this one is my favorite. But these ones I actually like them too. But this one, yeah. Only one thing I didn't like, 4 things I did. But this one, this is definitely younger on this side. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.